Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mujahid Hussain. Hope you are doing well at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to learn about manage resource for business advertisement. This is our content list. Advertisement, marketing online using social media and networking. So what is the advertisement and how can we go through online marketing and how can we advertise our business using social media and how can we advertise our business using networking. So first of all, advertisement, a message designed to promote a product or service or an idea. If you have an idea, if you have designed a product, or if you want to provide any service, so you have to design a message to promote your product, service or an idea. The purpose of advertising is to sell products or services. If you have products and services you want to sell, so you can go through advertising. The most marketing experts recommend that businesses spend anywhere from 2 to 5% of their gross sales on advertising. So experts recommends that when you want to spend or when you want to growth in your business, so you can go through the advertising. So your 2 to 5% gross in sales will be due to or will be through advertising. Online marketing online, use Twitter. Twitter is a very fast and that we can say that the era of Twitter. So everyone go through the Twitter and tweets, and you can use the Twitter for your marketing, and you can also create the page on Facebook, and then you can advertise for your business, for your products or your services as well. Create an account or create any blog. You can create any account, you can create website, or you can create a blog for your related to your business or blog. You can create blog and you can advertise your blog as you are advertise your business as well. So like you have a garment shop, and you want to advertise that one, so you can go through the Twitter, you can create a page on Facebook, and you can create an account, or you can design a website, or you can go through a blog. You have to create a blog, and then you can put all types of fabrics or designs on your blog. Then people will see, and then they can order and they can buy, they can come your shop as well. So you can go through this type of online marketing as well. And then using local media, right, press releases. So you can give your advertisement by using local media, and contact columnist and work for a charity. So these are the different methodologies. Is any person who is writing for columns, so you can give them and you can contact them, and they can write a column for your business and charity as well. So these are the way for local media, so you can use this one and for enhancing for your business. Then networking, build partnership, join community organization, host seminars and workshops. So networking, like build partnerships, you can go through partnership, and then your business will be advertised, and you can take growth of your business. And join community organization, like related to your business or any community. You can community organization, so you can join that one. Through that community organization, you can grow your business, you can advertise your business as well. Host seminars and workshops. You have to host free seminars and workshops as well, in order to publicity, or in order to advertising of your business as well. You can go through different institutes, different organizations. You can give workshops, and you can give free seminars, and you can host the seminars in order to enhance or in order to growth of your business. So this is a way of your networking. So as the people will come to your seminar, they will attend your seminar, they will attend your workshop. You can or then they will know about your products, about your services. So this is a way of advertising as well. Dear students, today up to here, is there any question, any query, then ask. I will available for you guys. I have provided my WhatsApp number and my email as well, so you can ask me by using email or by using WhatsApp. And stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.